Well, hello everybody. Josh here once again. Josh Lawn and Landscape. A little cleaner than the last few videos. But everybody, welcome to the channel. If you haven't yet and you are a new viewer, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. And if you enjoyed the video when it's all over, leave me a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts on what I did. So I'm going to try to get at least one property. If it goes really fast, I got a small one that I may try to go get, and we'll see. I submitted the price quote to the lady who wants the irrigation put in, so we'll see if I get a call back that she's in the hospital. Hopefully, she called me wanting to know if I had the price together, and I was actually finishing it up. I did explain to her about not a number, but just the situation with the pipe as far as cost, and just told her that that's kind of where it was at, but that I would have a price together for her. I have submitted a price to her, but I have not yet heard back from her. So she's pretty busy during the day, so I don't expect possibly to hear back from her until a little later this evening. But we'll see how that one goes. And like I say, going over here to get this one yard. Most anybody who is subscribed to my channel, you've probably seen it at least once. And so this is a gentleman that owns the lake property that he was selling. So he did inform me that he sold it, so not sure. Don't think I'll have to do that one anymore. I don't know, but we'll see. And yeah, so I stated in the last video, I did get the deck picked up from my brother's. He's got it welded. Looks good. And so going to be attempting to put that back on either this evening or tomorrow. Whichever time I do it, I will try to possibly get a little bit of footage of that. And once that's done, then I'll be back up with my two main mowers. Still got to do some ironing out with the Quiktrak. Overall, it's usable. I've been cutting grass with it. I think it's still got some wrinkles in it that just need to be smoothed over. So see how that goes. So that's kind of an update on what's going on, what I'm doing today, and where I'm at with everything. So stay tuned and see if I can get some footage at this property. And I've also got to stop for some gas in the truck when I leave here to head back home. So got an afternoon full. It is about 5:30, just after. So gonna go get it knocked out. Y'all stick around. Yes, I turned the blades on and made a pass with the deck up. Oh well. Be kind. Alright, you saw me cut this earlier. There they are, Mr. Gerald. Still got the trim around them. Kind of went through there with the trimmer, knocked down some of the weeds. Got this all trimmed out, trim around all the beds. Y'all saw me cut this section here. Nice crisp edge on the sidewalk. I still got to mention to the customer about pressure washing all this. Nice edge around the bed. Driveway's blown off. And we got all this cleaned up. And y'all saw me cut this section here, so that's that. Hey Randall, look! I still got daylight! I beat dark this time, but hey, a little shout out to Randall, Elite Landscapes Life Stories. If you haven't yet, check him out. And really cool dude, great channel. And just messing around there, because normally when I'm on my late week, it's dark when I finish doing what I'm doing. So, which I'm finished mowing. I'm not finished with everything, but I'm finished mowing and there's still daylight. So just getting around there. I hope y'all enjoyed the real-time, the point of view footage. Ooh. A little bright there. So got a couple of sections of that yard back there. The Quiktrak doing a pretty good job. That was cut on 2 according to the setting, the cut setting on the mower. You can see I did a little bit of back and forth, some old wash and wax cutting with the Quiktrak. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and finished results, let me know what y'all think. Going to head to the house, maybe grab a bite of supper, and I might try to go down and stick the deck back under the Z-Track and have it ready. We'll see. I may just I don't know, may do that tomorrow, because I've got just one little small yard to do tomorrow. I've got one little thing other than that to do right after work, and then that yard only takes me about 20-25 minutes maybe. So that's what's going on. I'm still waiting to hear on the irrigation quote, and pretty well caught up on everything. I'm thinking of shifting a few yards from Saturday to the first part of next week, which is my early week, which will be exactly 2 weeks since I cut them the last time, rather than a day or two sooner to kind of get them out of the week. But if I do that, I can go ahead and open up enough time on Saturday to do the other pine straw job that I need to do. That gentleman, haven't heard a no as far as the price that I give him. So I'm going to message him, I think, and just let him know, hey, I'm planning on coming by Saturday. And I still will have a few to cut, even moving the ones I want to move. But that way I can go ahead and get the straw job out of the way, and then that'll be done. I won't have to worry about it. If I get the irrigation job, I can focus on it. So still just grinding on, keeping it going. So pretty busy. It's been a good start to the year. Been able to, you know, we've gotten in the house, got Quiktrak pretty well figured out for the most part. Y'all may have heard it once or twice, I think, back there, where it seemed like it wanted to drag for a few seconds and then just kind of clear up, almost like it's got trash in it. But it's had fuel system cleaner run through it and injector cleaner. That was before I put the new injectors in it. Also, the tank was cleaned before then. Fresh gas has obviously been run through it because there's a couple of tanks been run through it. Not to say that I couldn't have picked up trash from somewhere in the fuel that I've purchased. It's possible. So for the most part, though, like I said, you can see it back there. It's doing a pretty good job. I still think it could be better than it is, so I'm going to work on that. But hey, it's making money, so I'm going to make up for everything that was invested in it to this point. And we'll see how it goes. Could be, I got to thinking it could be maybe the governor may need to be adjusted a little bit on it. But we'll see what comes of that. There's a number of things I guess it could be. But we'll just check them off the list as we go. So yeah, I'm not going to ramble on too much more here. See what I decide to do with the lower deck and whatnot. I think what I may do is, if I do decide to do that, I'll just make another video on that, kind of a short separate video. So I'll go ahead and close this one out. Again, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. If you've watched a couple of videos and you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, somewhere down there. So I've noticed a couple videos, I think, and I always forget to remember which corner to point at when I watch them. But it's in one of them. Whatever. You'll see it. The little orange square down there. It's got my logo in it. But so yes, thank y'all for subscribing. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Helps promote a little more. Like the videos with a thumbs up. And if you want to follow me once you subscribe and get notifications when I do videos, ring that bell once you subscribe to the channel, and whenever I post a video, you'll know about it. So once again, thank y'all. I appreciate all the support and the comments and everything. Still working on getting the subscriber giveaway together. I have not forgotten about it, but we'll see. I'm thinking of doing I don't know, maybe something, a couple of things like a spool of trimmer line, and then maybe a hat for somebody else, or a shirt, something like that. Nothing big for my first one, just trying to come up with some stuff, and just to show some appreciation. So I haven't forgotten about it, just trying to get it put together. So I just want to let y'all know what's going on. Again, thank y'all. Y'all be safe, be kind, be blessed. Catch you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.